Hey guys, it's James here. How you going? It's March 25, 2020. We're in the midst of a global crisis in relation to the pandemic with coronavirus, and of course I'm sure you all know all about that, but I just wanted to check in with you guys and have a quick chat about some of the things that I think that we can do to help you to maybe be more successful, to help you to get through this. Whether or not you're using workshop software or use some other piece of software, that's absolutely cool too. I think we can come up with some ideas as to some of the things that we can do to make you transition or work through this real big challenge that we've got right now, and come out of this the other side so that we're all stronger, potentially better, but at least if we can survive through this and make sure that we've set our business up for the best possible success that we can have in these challenging times. So I want to release a few different videos about a few different things, but first up, there's a few simple things that I think that we can be doing right now, and that's making sure that things like simple things, washing your hands, making sure all your techs are keeping really clean, making sure that the customers know that you're keeping clean as well. We've been talking internally amongst the team about things like being able to do maybe a touchless service, so what about getting in contact with your customers and suggesting to them that, hey, we can come to your house, we can come and drop off your car, we'll pick up your car, leave the keys somewhere, we'll come and pick up your car, you don't need to contact us, we don't need to touch you, we'll make sure that we take the car, service or repair it, we'll disinfect the car, we'll make sure that anybody or a technician or anybody touching your car is wearing gloves as they are using in the car, so that there's no germs being transmitted. Make sure that it's disinfected. We'll return the car back to you at your place of work or your home. We can leave the key somewhere if necessary, so you've got a real contactless environment. Now if that takes you a few extra minutes to maybe go to the customer's house or something like that, which you might not normally do, it's just a different way of being able to communicate and get to your clients, and so that you can help them out as best as you possibly can. So one of those ways, how do you get that out there to your customers? You've got to communicate this to your clients. You've got to be letting your clients know what you're doing. So and what's going on in your workshop. Are you open for business? Are you still there? Customers still need their cars, right? They want them to be reliable in these challenging times. We want to let customers know, well, it's got to be reliable, right? You want the car to be working. You don't want to not have the car working in these challenging times. So we can still provide a great service to our customers. I know these are challenging times, but that idea of a contactless service, take that on board. I think you might want to communicate that to your clients. Find different ways of being able to still get business, still service business, and make sure that you're doing the best that you possibly can to be able to deliver to your customers and to your clients. Hope that helps. I'll be back in touch with more stuff as we go along through this. Stay safe, guys. Appreciate your support. Anything I can do to help, let me know. And just as a sideline, what we're working on too is you'll see some communications from us around some things that we can help you. So I'm setting up some of the team members at the moment to offer you some services around how you can jump on a consulting call with a few of the guys in the team and go through some of the things that might make you a little bit more successful in these challenging times. All the best. Stay safe. Thanks, guys. Hope you find this valuable.